in front of me, we have the Milwaukee right angle attachment, and then we have the Festool right angle attachment. Now, recently someone was saying in the comments that this is superior to this one, and in my opinion, very simply, I don't think this is superior, nor do I think this is superior. I think they do things a little bit differently, and depending on your application, that can make a big difference. So, first of all, price difference, this is $30, this is $135 currently. Now, if you're using this day in, day out, and this is what you prefer, then $100 over 10, 15, 20 years that you own it, not a big difference. This is called the ANUNI. I don't know what that means. But if you can tell here, this is actually double the thickness of this. So that may make a difference for you. If you need to get in, say, into a drawer space and you don't have a lot of room, this may be the thing to go with. But consider this. This is a two-handed operation, so when you are putting it into the chuck here, I'll show you, this rotates rather freely. So if you're trying to drill, it's not going to stay very easily. So that is a minus. Whereas with this, see here, on. Now watch this, one-handed. This will stay. So if I need to get into a special space, or rather tight space, I can put it like this right here and do that. Or if I need to go at a weird angle, excuse me, then I can do that. And again, I can do different attachments with it. It has a Central Tech ending on it. So it comes off pretty easily. Now, when you're putting a bit into it, let's take a look here. So we've got this right here, and then let's grab one more just so we can have a nice comparison. Don't you love how hard it is to get these out? Okay, so let's take a look here. So if you guys can see here, yeah, there's a bit of a difference here. So if you're trying to get into a tighter space, if you're able to get your hand in there, this will probably do a little better job. If it's not a big deal, then I would definitely choose this one. So all in all, because this is $30, I would totally get this, even if you do have this, because there will be times where this just makes sense. And also, look how much deeper it is. Sometimes it's not a matter of which is better, but more so which is right for the job. So hopefully this was able to show you the differences and which one is right for your application.